In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into GoHighLevel. Whether you're just starting out or have used the platform before, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in GoHighLevel and press enter. This will lead you to a variety of search results. Look for the official GoHighLevel website, which should be at the top, and click on it to open the homepage. On the homepage, you'll be presented with a few different options. One of them should be a button labeled Start 14-Day Trial. Clicking on this will enable you to access all the features GoHighLevel has to offer without any immediate charges. It's an excellent way to explore the platform and see if it meets your needs. Next, you'll be directed to a sign-up page where you'll need to input some information. Start by typing in your first and last names. This is a straightforward step, but it's essential to ensure that your account is registered to your name correctly. Following that, enter your email address. Make sure the email is valid and one you frequently use, as it will be where all the notifications and verifications for your account are sent. It's crucial for keeping your account secure and accessible. Afterward, you'll need to create a password. Choose something strong and memorable. A mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters typically makes for a robust password. Remember, your password is the key to your account, so keep it safe. Once you're done filling in these fields, there should be a button labeled Go to Step Number 2. Clicking on this will bring you to the next stage of the sign-up process. Here, you might be asked to provide additional information, such as your company name or phone number. Again, accuracy is vital, especially if you plan to utilize GoHighLevel for business purposes. Proceeding forward, you will see a checkbox stating, "By signing up, you agree to HighLevel's terms of service and privacy policy." It's a legal agreement, so it's worth taking a moment to read through these terms before you accept them. Once you're comfortable with the terms, check the box. Finally, you'll see a statement that reads, "After the 14 days, you will be billed with the card on file." This is a reminder that after your trial, if you wish to continue using the service, it will become a paid subscription. Make sure you have a payment method ready for when your trial concludes. That's it. You've navigated through setting up and signing into GoHighLevel. With these steps, you should now have access to explore the platform and all the features it offers. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team for assistance.